If you ride in the summer, you know the problem. You either wear jeans and you get no protection, or you wear motorcycle pants and you sweat your balls off. So for the last few years, I bought a bunch of pants to try to find the best hot weather motorcycle pants. And the thing is, I actually like all these pants, but when it's over 90 degrees out, there's really only one that I want to wear. Here's what I've learned after trying all these motorcycle pants. It's really hard to find a pair that's both protective and comfortable in the heat. You can find pants with CE AA or AAA protection, but they're just too hot when it's 95 degrees outside. And you can find lightweight pants that flow a ton of air, but they're only CEA rated. For me, fit matters too. I don't want something that's too baggy or too tight. I want something I can actually wear when I get off the bike. I own pants from Tobacco Motorwear, 2 from John Doe, 2 from NBT, 1 from First Manufacturing, SPIDI, Merlin, and Pando Moto. And honestly, I like every one of them. I just don't reach for them when it's 95 degrees in South Florida. If you want a detailed review of any of these, let me know in the comments. My NBTs are probably still my favorite when it's under 90 degrees. But after trying all of these, the pair that I keep reaching for are the ones I'm wearing right now. They're not perfect, but for the way I ride in South Florida, they're the closest thing I've found. These are the Ride Rich Unit 16 V2 Flow Mesh Joggers. It's a mouthful, but I really like these pants. Here's why. These mesh panels flow a ton of air. You got them up top, you have them down below, and you have them in the back. Pockets, zipper on the side, and really deep, which I like. Also, both sides, you've got these cargo pockets with the Velcro closure for more storage. You've got vents here on the side of the leg you can open to flow even more air. There's also a pocket right on the back, which is nice too. These things are made really well. Ride Rich says that they're still under evaluation for their CE AA rating, but they feel very well constructed and high quality. Up top, you've got an elastic waist with a drawstring. You've got belt loops as well. The armor, I really like the armor. 2 hip pads as well as a tailbone pad, which I haven't seen, and the knee armor. This armor is very comfortable. It's not bulky and it stays in place. Most of the pants I have, I want to take the armor out right away. It's incredibly annoying. It moves around a lot and it's super bulky. This, I don't get that at all. I really, really like this armor. If I have one minor complaint about these pants, these are a size large, which they say is a 34-inch waist. That's what I am, and they feel like they run a little bit large. That's it. The medium is a 32-inch waist. Maybe if I bought another pair, I'd try the 32. The inseam is a 32. I'm typically a 30, but with these joggers, it doesn't really matter. They also released on their website very recently the same pants, but in just a regular pant as opposed to a jogger. So that's a new style that they have out if you prefer that. So all in all, I really, really like these pants, and they do a very nice job in the summer heat. I still like a lot of the other pants I have, all the other pants, as I've said. And when it's cooler outside, I actually prefer to wear some of those. So that's my view, guys. That's what I got today. Thank you for watching. If you have found something better that works in the summer, please let me know. I'm always down to try something new and something better. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.